How to fix Cash App barcode not showing up. In this video, I will show you how to fix Cash App barcode not showing up. Open or launch the Cash App mobile application as you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see different options. From them, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you will land on the profile section of your Cash App account where you will see different sections that can help you navigate to different areas of the app. After that, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Next, tap this option named Support. The page will start loading. Wait for it to finish the process. This is the support page of Cash App where there are various sections that you can use to find help on issues you face on the app. Next, scroll down. Continue scrolling down to the bottom of the page where you will see more options. From those options, tap this one here named Cash App Pay. After doing that, you will land on this other page where you have sections related to the Cash App Pay as you can see. From them, tap this one here. After that, this other page appears where you are being given some information on how the issue you are facing may be solved. You also read this information to get a better understanding. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page. At the bottom, there is a section named Support. Under the section, there is another one named Chat. Make sure you tap on it. Finally, you will land on this chat box here where you can type a short message explaining to the support team what the issue you are facing is. Make sure you explain to them well. You can also copy what I have typed here. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They'll respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App barcode not showing up.